Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the Realacc X-Lite case. It is a semi-hard case with a Cordura cover. So it's got this weird design here. I don't know if it's a biohazard thing or something. And a loop for attaching stuff. Probably you can attach a quad here. And then it has twin zipper pulls and a regular zipper. It would have been nice if it's a concealed zipper, just like the original X-Lite case, like this one. And it has a handle here. And on the other side, at the bottom, you have the Realacc logo. And on the sides, you have D-rings for attaching a strap. And I think that's it for the outside. Let's open it. So we have here some type of closed cell foam, and then some sort of strap. I don't think this is the carrying strap because it's too narrow. And this one is the carrying strap, so it's got a pad here and snaps for attaching to the D-rings. So it looks fancy, but I think I would prefer a plain black strap. So here, as you can see, it can hold more than just the X-Lite over here. So it can hold spare batteries and then maybe some external modules. So you can put some whoops here and maybe cover it with something so that they won't jump around inside the bag. Or of course you can put your goggles here. So it fits nicely. And then you can put your transmitter here. And then on the other side, on the lid, you have this mesh covered pocket and it's a zipper. You can put stuff here. Maybe you can put a whoop. Let's see if this still closes. Yeah, I think it still closes, but probably better for low profile whoops, not like this one. And that's it. There's really not much to say. It's just a case after all. It holds your X-Lite, it holds your goggles or whatever else you want to put here. And it works as intended. So I'm definitely going to be using this. Thank you for watching.